What is up, you guys? This is time for a holiday house tour. First thing is we need the lanterns on. So I'm going to take you guys through all of the Christmas decor in our Disney house. Right now we are in the treehouse, which doesn't have any Christmas decor, but it needed to be shared because it's a whole vibe, and there's a video in itself of this room. It's very cool and very vibey. So the first thing that I want to share is this garland. I got this garland. It was so surprisingly inexpensive and so long. It was able to go so far down the railing, so I decided to get 2 more to do the entire railing all the way down. It's so pretty when you look all the way up or down. And then I also did these little green ribbons. So every other banister I did these. So we don't usually start upstairs for our house tours, but I figured this could be, you know, a little bit different, a little bit more fun, but there is many house tours of this home in detail. This is Andre's office. There is no decorations in here. I don't feel like that's surprising. We did dive into more Legos though, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And then this is our master. So I've got this little Disney Christmas tree over here. This is our master bedroom. We're packing right now. Sad to go home. This is the other piece of Christmas love in here. We got this Mickey and Minnie. I thought it was so cute. I was originally gonna put them on the bed and it felt kind of juvenile. I mean, it's already juvenile to have 2 teddy bears as adults, but they're so cute. Luggage packed. We've got some merch here. Callister Home Security. I've got my plaid Buff Bunny stuff in there, some camera gear, my light bulb cuppy, more merch. This is probably one of my favorite pieces. The Christmas Vibes shirt. And then there's mugs. So good. And then I have, oh my gosh, look, this is like actually fabric. We're showing you all the Christmas things. And then I'm trying to figure out if I want to bring all these books home because they're apparently a full series. And then this is like a holiday one. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. But this is the master. That is pretty much it for decoration in here. And let me take you past my office. I actually have to show you something in my office. I've got my planner out. This one's going to stay here. Traditional dark gray. Not much happening in here in terms of Christmas decor. I'm charging some stuff. These are my new favorite little dishes though, and I shared them in our like holiday Disney tour. Where is it? Oh, here it is, here it is. So I keep all my makeup in here. This little palette, it's like a Secret Santa palette. I kind of want to bring it home. I think I need to bring it home. Might as well, right? There's some Christmas love in here. So this is my backpacks and my ears and everything. So I've got all my Christmas ears lined up. I have some fanny packs. This one's a Buff Bunny one. This one is Stony Clover. And then I've got my Christmas bags here. Okay, let's go downstairs where all the actual decor is. There's another bedroom in here. Not much has happened in that room. That's like our guest bedroom. And then I'm gonna have to wait till tonight to take you guys outside because it's a full situation. I've got a new little elf, little green elf. He's so sweet. And then we need to light the candle in here. Okay, this candle is so inexpensive, but it looks like it's something that you'd find at like Pottery Barn or Restoration Hardware or something. It's so pretty and it smells like that traditional balsam scent. I love it. I will link it for you guys. So good. And it was so cheap. I think it was like $10 or something. So welcome to our kitchen. The pillows are brought in because we don't leave them out whenever we leave. So that's what, they're cute though, but that's not usually here. And then on, oh my gosh, on here, I kept these all season long. These are like a pumpkin spice smelling hand soap and cream. So good. All right, so on here, our merch mugs are the mugs we use the most, fun fact. Love them. This one is one of my favorites. I was gonna bring it home, but it needs to remain at the Disney house so that I actually have good mugs here. So the rest are already done. I don't really use them, but this is the full tiered tray, some little measuring cups, couple whip toppers. I will link as much as I can. And the thing with this one is it fully wraps around, so it's that much harder to decorate. I've got these little gingerbread men and tins in here. Oh my gosh, I love these snowmen. This hot cocoa Santa, hot cocoa candy jar, little miniature gingerbreads, frosty mug. Love. Very cute. And then I have the new popcorn buckets over here. My friend got me these. Amazing. And then I did a miniature tiered tray over here with some smaller mugs, like some Target mugs. And then I did, this one's Papa Elf. And I have the hat. And then this is from our merch collection also. Very chaotic yet very cute. All right, now this is a new tradition that we kind of started last year with the gingerbread houses. So I got this new one this year and he's pink. So pretty. So these actually light up. I just never really light them up. But this, like, I mean, this could become a full thing. So I did some batting, a new garland in the back, and I feel like this will expand year over year. So last year I had gotten this one also. And I mean, we pretty much just moved in, so that's why there's a lot less decor here. The other house has like been collected over many years. And then I also got this train that I put, usually there's like moss in here. So I took out the moss, put some snow, and then I put this gingerbread train. Very cute. And then this is our tree with a very fuzzy fir tree skirt. This tree is so simple to put up. I will just say that even though it's super glittery and sparkly and like very Tinkerbell-esque, it's very sparse. So I actually filmed a reel, like a TikTok reel, of me showing you guys how to fill out a very sparse tree. Like if your tree just feels like you can see right through it, I zhuzhed this one up pretty well. I like the topper too. It's very Grinchy. So this is the tree. There's a couple little marshmallows, some curly cues. Love the ribbon. Love that tree. And then I've got a pillow over here, the Whoville post office pillow. More of those little plates like I was showing you guys. I'm obsessed with these plates. They're like little admission tickets. Elf, who is not properly secured at all. He better not fall. And then I've got some twinkle lights that I put up in the palm trees. I have to show you guys the house at night because it's so pretty with all the twinkly lights. And then I've got two like bakery elves on the banister here. Fun fact, fastest way, I know I always say fun fact, but it's true. Fun facts about Angie. Fastest way to get on my naughty list is to make fun of my elves. They're so sweet. They're like the cutest thing. My mom loves them too, so I think that's where it comes from. But I love them, so don't ever talk smack about my elves. And then here, got my stuff is charging. And then I've got my planner. This is the progress on the Home Alone house. It's so cool. So look, things turn. Like, you know, the party scene. I love it. And then I've got this that I got at Target. Love that. I have similar ones. I have a Halloween one. I have another Christmas one at home in Canada. I just got this tray and it was so pretty. I got it in Disney Springs. This is our merch, the Kohl's 34th Street, I believe. This holds all of our remotes. And then I got this nostalgic little Christmas tree, which I'm kind of obsessed with this year. A little tree from last year. I think he was from Home Goods or Michael's. This Mickey and Minnie. They're so cute. And then another elf because you have to. And then this is also merch. This is my mouse pad. Lots of festive stuff. So yeah, the trees are like a full vibe in the dark. Oh, so pretty. And then I've got a little Santa sack over there. So I feel like we should like reconvene this tour tonight and I will take you guys outside because there's a bunch of twinkle lights outside and Mickey is outside. So let's flip this around and I will see you guys in a couple hours at sunset. Here is a little view of everything at night. We've got more Hallmark movies going. The tree is lit. It looks so pretty at night and the pool is all lit up and you can see Mickey behind the tree. He's back there in the pool. So we've got our elves. The trees twinkling at night, like the palm trees, I love them. And the banister just worked out super, super well. So let me take you outside to go see the other Mickey. All right, I promised you guys I would show you the outside at night. I've got my twinkle lights on. I can show you how I did this. They're like on this rotating kind of twinkle fairy setting, and I've got them in the tall grass. It's the easiest thing. They're like on a thin little wire, and they're solar powered, so you don't have to do anything. So I kind of just followed the trail of where the gardens were, and then I did get one set of colorful fairy lights. These are plugged in, so they're a lot brighter, and these are the multicolored ones, and they're more on like one of those green rope style, but the tips of them are like really, really bright. So they're like the LED style. Love the multicolor this year. I love the vintage look, and then it went perfectly with Mickey. And then I got these two smaller trees that were like so cheap. I couldn't believe it. They're not big, but they go perfectly with Mickey, and they're colorful also. You needed the full effect with Mickey singing. Isn't he cool? I just turned these lights on too. They weren't on. So we've got a full decorated outside. I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour. Happy decorating. Make sure that you're subscribed, and what I'll do is link last year's house tour right after this because there was a whole other situation happening. So you guys can check that one out because that was pretty intense also. Bye, dudes.